Hi guys, this brushless ZD Racing Raptors buggy is nice, but it has a really big problem. Pinion and spur gear are completely unprotected, so it really does not like track conditions like this. But what could we do to change that? Maybe 3D printing a cover? This is the motor mount. Dirt can get in here and here. This 3D printed piece will close these openings. We also need to close this area here. And this is how it looks like inside the car. Here you can see both halves together. The rear half is mounted like this. It is held in place with 2 screws. Everything is now back in place and we are ready for a test drive. But will it survive the test drive? And yes, it was locked up again after this test. So, 2 or 3 design iterations later. This is the final design. It was designed in Fusion 360. As always, you can download the STL data on my Thingiverse. This is how the final version looks like in detail. It is held in place by 2 original screws. This is everything back in place. The remaining gaps were sealed using white wood glue. Time for a new test drive. Unfortunately, it was a short one. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Bye!